Hi everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to use Python on a computer. So you're probably wondering, how am I supposed to get Python on a computer if I don't have Visual Studio Code because it's not available on a Chromebook? Well, today I'll be showing you the easiest way and the fastest because it gets you all the packages as well. So you can import Turtle or whatever you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and then afterwards you're going to type in REPL.it Python, and then enter. Now on this page you have basically everything you need. You have Python 3, Python 2.7, and just Python. So I personally use Python 3 because I just do it. And so once you're at this page, it's loading. Let's let it load, and then I'll talk. I messed up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go actually back to repel.it, and you're going to type in Python. And then what you're actually going to do is you're going to click on here, Python Online Compiler and IDE. Yeah, this is where you're supposed to be. Now, when you're at this page, I'll show you how to use it. So this is where you type all your code, and this is the interface right here. And you can type anything you want. So see, these are the same pages. So let's close that up, and so we can type all the code. So for example, the first thing you always start off with in Python is hello world. So we're going to print hello world. This is where you type everything, okay? And then once after you have your code, you press run, and then it's going to print hello world, just like you said. Okay. Now, when you want to use something like input, which is asking a question in which you can answer, so you're going to do input. Well, let's start it off with the variable. So a equals input. How are you today? And if your answer is good, it'll type. Then it will print me too, for example. So once you have your input code ready, you run the code, and then it asks, how are you today? And then now you have to go over here, press on it, make sure you're actually typing in there. You can make it bigger, full screen, and then afterwards you can type your answer. So I wrote the only possible answers are good or bad, but I just put good because this is a YouTube video. So if we type in good and enter, it writes me too, or it prints me too. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial. I learned how to do this before. It's pretty good. And so, bye. Have a good day. If you like this video, make